We come up with another question from NCERT Exemplar, Class 10, Question 5 of Exercise 1.4. Let's see what question says. Now it says that show that one and only one out of n plus 1, n plus 8, n plus 12 and n plus 16 is divisible by 6. Now, where n is any positive integer. So we know that let n be any positive integer. Before starting up with the solution, you can think and try it yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our videos. And now let's start up with the solution of this question. We know that let n be any positive integer which is divided by or which is divisible by 5. Or we can say it is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 5. Q and R are the questions and remainders onto it. So by Euclid's division algorithm, we will be getting n is equals to 5q plus r, where n, q and r are non-negative integers, and 0 is less than equals to r is less than 5, which means r will be equals to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's start putting the values of r. So if r is 0, so what do we get as n? N will be 5q plus 0, which is 5q only. It means it is divisible by 5. How about when r is 1? If r is 1, so we are getting n equals to 5q plus 1. Now n equals to 5q plus 1, which means n plus 4 equals to 5q plus 1 plus 4, which is 5q plus 5. And we can say we can take 5 common and we'll be left with q plus 1, which is also divisible by 5. How about when r is equals to 2? If r equals to 2, we'll be getting n as 5q plus 2, which says that n plus 8 is equals to 5q plus 2 plus 8, which is 5q plus 10. If we can take 5 common, we're left with q plus 2, which is again divisible by 5. Let's move on to when r is 3. So we'll get n as 5q plus 3. Now we'll talk about n plus 12, which is the next number with us. So 5q plus 3 plus 12, which is 5q plus 15. We'll take 5 common, we left with q plus 3. Again it is divisible by 5. Now let's say r is 4 and we have n plus 16 now. R is 4, then n will be 5q plus 4, which says that n plus 16 will be 5q plus 4 plus 16, which is 5q plus 20, which is taking 5 common, we are left with q plus 4, and we can say that is divisible by 5. So we can ultimately say that n it is divisible by 5, n is divisible by 5, n plus 4 divisible by 5, n plus 8 divisible by 5, n plus 12 divisible by 5, and n plus 16 is also divisible by 5. So we proved that one and only one, hence we proved that one and only one out of n plus 4, n plus 8, n plus 12 and n plus 16 is divisible by 5, where n is any positive integer. So this is it for chapter 1. We'll be coming up with more questions and videos on chapter 2, class 10, same NCERT Exemplar. Till then, you can share, like and subscribe if you like this video. And for more suggestions, you can stay tuned and let us know if you need some other questions or if you need solutions of some other questions. We'll do that for you as well. Take care till then. See you next time. Thank you.